Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check modem and router lights and restart them if anything looks off. Once done, open another site and try a different device to see whether the problem is Chrome-specific or a network outage. Make sure to temporarily turn off VPN, proxy settings, and antivirus web shields because they commonly block DNS or HTTPS connections. This narrows the fault quickly and prevents wasted steps. If Chrome still says site can't be reached, move on to DNS and browser-level fixes. Now fix name resolution and browser state. Flush your DNS cache to remove stale records. On Windows, use ipconfig/flushtons. On Mac, use sudo dscacheutil flushcache. Then change your adapter DNS to a public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass ISP DNS problems. Next, reset Chrome state by clearing cached images and files, disabling all extensions, and resetting Chrome //flags to defaults. These steps address the most common causes: wrong DNS responses, corrupted cache, or an extension intercepting requests, so test the site again after each change. Finish by resetting the network stack and confirming device-level blocks. On Windows, run netsh int IP reset and netsh winsock reset, then restart your PC and router to apply changes. Once restarted, try the site in Chrome Incognito to rule out profile issues, and if problems persist, reinstall Chrome to replace a corrupted binary. If you still see site can't be reached, examine router firewall rules and check for ISP or regional outages. One key troubleshooting tip: try a mobile hotspot to isolate your ISP from your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.